Perfect. Perfect. Why don't you blend another color with that too, Becky? Either back to yellow or something else, whatever. Of the day. It's a race. Whose drips are going to get done first?
Put the most water in.
And so down the road, when we do our drips, they're going to be more colorful. Pretty color, huh?
That is.
You could add some more paint and just make it a little more red on the right and maybe one blob on the left too. Yep, just force it harder. Push. Oh, there you go.
How many drips should I have?
And the answer is, class, 18.
Oh, 18?
This looks like jellyfish. Jellyfish.
Yep, it does. Yeah, you can do the drips after, honey. Just keep going and make them like heavy at the bottom so they will drip when you're ready, okay? Good. Skinny. There you go. Abby's got it. Leave it so it'll drip good. Good. Heavier at the bottom. You got it. Nice. There you go. You're getting your cleavages better now. Good. Nice. Now we're going to make these a little more pointed, right? Okay. Nice. Part and correct. Look at Abby. She's turned her piece upside down. Brilliant. Brilliant. So you go, so actually she's working on the right side of the page, but it's the left side of the monument that's heavier, correct? But not on the top, just on the left side of everything. And you could do it, you can go all the way and use the, just use the heavier line right all the way around the whole monument. And then come back and do your thin lines. That's what I would recommend. It's signature time. Grandma goes first. Here she goes. Grandpa, go for it. Nice. Now it's Amy. Here we go. Abby, go for it. That nail polish she's got going too. Nice.